Hello. Two hats. Yes, sometimes you gotta grab the blade. Also grasp the nettle, grab the blade and just do it. So, the kukri. The old ways of doing kukris was quite crude with fantastic edge, i.e. quite what was going on with the blade profile from the handle to the tip. So on my hoofer choofer here, I will be putting on an angle, just a plain angle, like a primary depth. To which Duncan went, when are you going to do it properly? It's only that point in your journey as a maker, you know, science is saying the more you know you don't know. So, the way I used to do it, whack on a decent primary angle to hog off a load of weight, especially at that end, and the front end will get lighter. You might want to do a cutting bevel as well. So you remove a load of material from there to there with a saber grind. I still used to do it. Okay. Which Duncan said, when are you going to do one properly? Me thinking, you know, truck spring, rat tail time, through the handle and over. But there's more to it than properly as in doing it traditionally. He was on about, I think, this. So, there's the blank. Distilling taper from about there down. I'm getting there. Okay. And full flattening from the spine to the edge. Still a bit to go. You can see the difference. Instead of putting a saber grind on it and removing that and the spine staying chunky, it now has the beginnings of a distal taper. I'm about there at the moment. I'm also going full flattening. Not that it'll quite meet, but you know, it's still allowing that angle there down from the spine to the belly. This one's about a third far away, but he's still getting. Yes. So all learnings, all freehand. And then of course once I can then put what would be a saber on it, the saber will end up coming up to here because of the bevel will be the same, so it'll climb higher, and then I'll blend all that in. And like all of a sudden all his movements, like he knows what he's on about. So, distal taper down, full flattening, getting that way as I'm grinding it. But all the finishing belts will eventually blend it all in, so you end up with less weight that way, less weight that way. Yeah, that's all freehand.